play games on your PC, we need to install some gaming components on PC. Number 1. Install gaming services from Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, search for gaming services, click Install or Update. Wait for the installation to complete. Restart your PC. Launch Minecraft again. 2. Update Xbox app. Open Microsoft Store, go to Library, click Get Updates. Update the Xbox app. Restart the app. Try launching Minecraft. 3. Sign out and sign back into Xbox app. Open the Xbox app, click your profile icon, select Sign Out, close the Xbox app, reopen it, sign back into your Microsoft account, launch Minecraft. 4. Repair gaming services. Open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Gaming Services, click Advanced Options, select Repair, restart your PC, test Minecraft. Reset Gaming Services, open Settings, Apps, select Gaming Services, click Advanced Options, choose Reset, confirm the action, restart the PC, launch Minecraft again. Number 6. Repair Microsoft Store, open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, select Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options, select Repair, relaunch Microsoft Store. Nummer 7. Clear Microsoft Store cache, press Windows R, type wreset.exe, press Enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, restart your PC, try launching Minecraft. Number 8. Reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator, run get apex package Microsoft.gaming services, remove apex package -losers, restart your PC. Open Xbox app, reinstall gaming services when prompted. Launch Minecraft. Install Windows updates, open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for updates, install all available updates. Restart your PC, open Minecraft again. 10. Reinstall Xbox app. Open Settings, Apps, uninstall Xbox app, restart your PC. Reinstall Xbox app from Microsoft Store. Sign into your account, launch Minecraft bonus fix. If the error still appears, open Command Prompt as administrator, run sfc/scanow. After it finishes, run -m online, cleanup image, restore health, restart your PC, launch Minecraft again. These solutions can fix the to play games on your PC. We need to install some gaming components. Error in Minecraft caused by corrupted gaming services, Xbox app issues, Microsoft Store problems, or missing Windows components.